Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not opening on the application of Telegram. You will click on settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Telegram and you will click. Here you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.